Greetings, this is Earthman, earthmansoil.com. God bless you, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope it's helpful. And if it is, push like. And if you have any questions about what's going on here, feel free to leave a question. If you're not a subscriber, you should subscribe, because that way you get alerts on all the amazing content that I'll be putting out over the next couple months about organic gardening, true organic gardening. All right, here it is, my friends. Earthman's top secret recipe on air pruning cups. You guys will probably do better than this, I'm sure. But, this works for me for now. And here it goes. So what I do is I take an 18-ounce cup, as such, and I cut the bottom out. There's the bottom. I use a pair of scissors. All right. Then I get 2 coffee filters, 2 or 3. And I'll put them on the bottom of the cup. All right, and then what I'll do is I'll take the tape and I'll tape that filter onto the bottom of the cup, and there you go. Now, do you have to use these type of cups? No. Do you have to use coffee filters? No, actually, a cheesecloth would be better. And I'm going to be getting some cheesecloth down the road, maybe, or maybe not. I don't know. But the next year, if I do this, I will have a whole bunch of cheesecloth. But you can use cheesecloth and tape it on the bottom. And the whole idea, guys, is so that way, all right, sorry about that, is when the plant is, growing and that taproot comes out and the other type of roots come out, they get air pruned, and that'll send messages to the plant to send more roots down to the bottom, and therefore you're not having a root knot mess with one taproot just twisting around the cup, but instead you're going to have air pruned roots, and you're going to have lots of roots coming down, and it's going to be a root mass. And so there you go, top secret recipe on how to make air pruning cups. And like I said, if you guys got better ideas, please feel free to let me know. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. God bless you, and thank you for watching this video.